How everybody doing this morning, man? On this good water, on this good Saturday. We back at Jig's Landing, trying to get back on these specs again. And we're gonna go to some of our other little holes. You know, I found one new hole and I've been there for 2 days, so we're gonna go there again, and then we're gonna go down river to a couple of our other spots. So I know the specs at this new spot, they're at our old spots. And we got yours truly on this thing, Mr. Who?
VIP fishing, y'all already know what time it is.
So, y'all stay tuned, man. Hopefully we gonna get y'all some good content. It's cool out right now, but you know, Big Red ain't nothing but a couple of minutes away, so we're gonna try to get what we can get before he start poking his head, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, we to the first hole. Let's see what they gonna do today. We on the first part of the stretch. And we're gonna see who's gonna be home today, man. We got VIP with us, so you know he has a little bit of faith in Jig's Landing. So what I'm trying to do there, ladies and gentlemen, I'm trying to get his courage back up in Jig's Landing, let him know that they still here. So that's why we started off with this spot, because I wanted to get him one in the boat quick, just to put a smile on his face real quick, y'all. I just want a smile on his face real quick.
I appreciate that, bro.
See, but I want to get right there. Cause no, you should, yeah, that's good because you got roots right there. That's a good spot. Anyway, you see them trees at. But when I'm fishing here, I got it at like about 5 foot. We fishing in 9 foot of water, but this shit varies from 11 to 12. But the closer the better. And I've noticed that they, like right now, they sitting at 8 foot. That's why I said it's 12 foot, but they sitting at 8 foot. That's why I said it's good to put it right there. And see, they right here, but I'm thinking about that, like I say, they be stubborn sometimes, so you gotta get them to, you gotta manipulate them. Ladies and gentlemen, we fishing with the split bobber like we did last time, and with a jig head, we fishing 5 foot deep. We're in 10 foot of water right now, but we got our depths at 5 foot right now. And I brung 2 poles. I still got the slip bobber on the pole, but I got me a little fake, little short truth, little fish, and I'm gonna fish my fake up under this slip bobber with a little. I'm gonna trail it off with a crappie nibblet, and we're gonna see who's gonna show up with this. Cause sometimes, last time I was out here, I didn't know if they wanted anything fake, so I'm gonna throw something fake out here with a little bite weight and trace it with a crappie nibblet. Ladies and gentlemen, like I was already getting thumped right there. Let's see somebody coming home. He moving. He on the run, y'all. He's on the run. Cause toss up more up here in that cul-de-sac. But I'm gonna move up a little bit anyway. See, it's doing it again. Completely off. I'm done with this. It's got to be, bro. I ain't fucking on that remote no more. That's it, cuz. Try this little fake little lure right here. Oh, told you. What we coming for? What we coming for, like I told you? What we coming for, ladies and gentlemen? I told him. Didn't I tell you I'm gonna put a smile on his face? Oh. He darted off on me. Get in that net, man. Stop playing with me.
Nice slide, y'all.
Get in that net, man. Stop playing. Get in that net. Get in that net. Get in that net.
Come out to the peeps at home. Oh yeah.
This what we do, man. This what we do. Yes, sir. This is what we going for. That's a good sign already.
Yes, sir.
Hey, cuz, you wanna toss them in the the box for me? Yeah, yes, sir.
Nice slab, y'all.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got the first one.
Wood on?
That's what I got. I'm doing now.
Uh-oh.
Ladies and gentlemen. Then I tell you what I said about VIP. Then I say he gonna do what he do.
Yeah. Cuz put that smile on my face. You heard me? We're gonna let this one go back. You feel me?
Now what you got to say about Jig? Hey. I'm talking about off the rip. Huh? Off the rip. Then I tell you.
Shit, give me some there. You heard me?
I told you, boy. I said, boy. I said, boy. I said, cuz, boy. I done found him.
Yeah. Real talk.
We're gonna move up just a tad, cause we backing up. I'm gonna get us back in the zone. Try to get them right in them trees over there. Like the closer to the trees, the better. That's the thing. The closer, the better. Cause they be so bogged down in these trees. You got some of them that'll come out and get them. Some of them just stubborn. They're gonna just eat right there because there's so many bait right here. You get what I'm saying? If you look all them little bait fish that you be getting. That's all they pinging off of. You look in the trees. You see them?
Mm-hmm.
Tons of them. Yeah. What you got there, cuz?
Baby bass, man.
Got a little bass? Okay. Cuz on the board though.
It's hotter than the mother out here.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry about that. My battery went dead on my phone. But guess what I got in the net? Got another one, y'all. And man, I didn't even get a chance to even get him on camera, y'all. Didn't even get a chance to get him on camera. Now I'm stuck in my net now, y'all. But we gonna keep him down, cause y'all remember last time. I had him fall out the boat on me. Another nice one, man. Another nice one, y'all. Sorry that I couldn't get him on camera. Soon my GoPro battery dead. I lashed into him. How you put him in the cooler for me? Cause look, see all the minnows? That's what they hidden.
This is what's coming out of Jig Lennon, y'all.
It's just a grind, bro. I promise you. They here.
Slab, too.
Huh?
I said slab, too.
Mm-hmm. Sorry about that. I didn't get him on camera. That made me upset, y'all. And we need to close. I closed it back here. That sun gonna start beaming on him. Yeah, they coming, y'all, but they ain't coming as fast as we want them to, but they coming. That's the good thing. What in that is? Got another one, ladies and gentlemen. Got him. Like I said, man, it's a grind. I was just.
Third one.
It's a grind. We gonna have to measure him, y'all. I don't know if he the right. I don't know if he the right size. Could do me a favor? Look in there, him in that ruler. Yeah, other way. That's why I bought that, just for this. If you ain't never seen one of these right here, this is a crappie scale here, y'all. You gotta be 10 inches. Drop him in the hole. As y'all see, he's not 10 inches. He's a little under 10 inches, so he's going back. Ladies and gentlemen, we on the move. We gotta head back to the dock. We gotta go grab something out the car that we forgot. So we headed to the dock to go there real quick, then we're gonna get back on these fish. But right now, man, it's been kind of slow. Ain't no wind out here, so you know them specks, they like that current and that wind to be blowing. So them bait fish get pushed around and stuff like that. So right now, we got, I think I got two or three in the cooler right now, and we caught 2 small ones. So like I said, it's a grind. We still out here trying to get them. So when we get to the next spot, I invite y'all in. Ladies and gentlemen, we headed down river, y'all. Like I said, we got a couple of spots down here that got a little shade in them. So we're gonna go down here. We ain't been at our other little spots down here down river in a while. So y'all stick with us and stay tuned. But I figure I'll give y'all a little, if you ain't never been to Jigs Landing, give y'all a little preview of what it looked like here down river, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, we're at our destination right now. We're fishing these pylons. There's these fish on these pylons right here. So we're gonna see what we can get. And plus, it's a nice cool shade up under here too. It feels good up under here. But like night and day, y'all. Night and day. Ladies and gentlemen, just a waiting game. Pretty much what it is. See who's home. We're gonna get this pylon in a couple of seconds, then we're gonna move over to the other ones. See where we can find some active fish at. Out to go. Gentlemen, it's been a grind. We back over at the hole again. VIP fishing and had two. Both of them done got out, so he trying to redeem himself, y'all. He trying to redeem himself. That's not like him. He snatching everything that hit his pole. It's just one of those days today. It's just one of those days, man. I've been cold myself. It's been cold, bro. It's been real cold. And the thing about it, there's no wind. That just making it even harder to fish. Cause there ain't no wind. It's just dead heat. Bring him in, cuz. No, I suspect something. He pulling. Damn, I bet pulling. What that is? Dang. But he pulling.
That ain't no spec, bro. You trying to get in there, girl? Yeah. I came off.
He did?
Yeah.
What the heck was it? You sure that wasn't no big old speck? Huh? But he was getting to them trees, wasn't he? Huh? That's what I'm saying. A bluegill ain't finna do that. You think so? Huh? Well, everybody, that pretty much sums up the day. Like I said, man, it was a tough day today. There was no wind. It was hot. So the crappie wasn't really biting like they should. We got 2 keepers, caught 2 little small juveniles, and I think that's about it. But it was a rough day today. Every day you go out, you're not gonna get them. So like I said, we got 2 keepers. And I might do a catch, clean, and cook. I'm not sure. This sun done beat me down. But like I always say, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be informed. Hit that share button. Share. Please share. Share to a friend, to anybody. Let them see what my content is. You know what I mean? That'll help me out a lot. I'm trying to build it up. So like always, I always say, till next time, see you.